Ever wanted to create woodworking projects easily and quickly? I just came across a site with over 16,000 downloadable woodworking plans at het//woo. TedsWoodworking. Here is an honest review of TedsWoodworking. Pros: if you want to start a woodworking project, you need all the necessary information including schematics, blueprints, materials lists, dimensions, etc. That is where TedsWoodworking comes in. The plans are clearly drawn and there are step-by-step explanations of how the plan should be done and put together. There are several other sites whose collection of plans have the dimensions totally wrong without any indication of parts lists, material lists, or the tools needed. If you're one of those people who have bought plans like this in the past, TedsWoodworking will change your perception. In TedsWoodworking, you will get everything you need. Diagrams which are detailed with a full set of dimensions, step-by-step instructions how to start your project, the necessary materials for that particular project, all the woodworking tools you will need if you are a beginner or have done some woodworking. You will find these plans easy to follow as the instructions are very clearly written. The woodworking plans are straightforward, so they are not complicated at all. Even if you are a total newcomer to woodworking, you will simply be able to master all the techniques that are needed and the woodworking skills very quickly by following the concise and clear instructions. Another thing which is so great about these woodworking plans is that there have been some videos included, and there are some to guide you on how to build benches, home furniture, dog houses, bird feeders, sheds, and much more. There is also a lifetime member access included in the package, and you get these extras for no cost to you as they are free with no additional charges at all. This alone is worth the entire price for TedsWoodworking. Mcgrath is a very dedicated and experienced woodworker who knows what he is talking about when it comes to woodworking and DIY projects. He has been a woodworker for many years. There is only one drawback that we could find, and that being with 16,000 woodworking plans, you are bound to get some which look a little disorganized. But that is understandable, as it is very difficult to place all these plans into their proper categories. Secondly, it might take you a little longer to do the downloads on because of the size of them. But the members area include an option to upgrade to the DVD so you can save time on downloading. Bottom line. Truth is, I've been a carpenter for almost 36 years and I haven't found anything like this for less than tens of thousands of dollars. Here's the bottom line. If you were planning to start on your woodworking project, this isn't something you should use, it's something that you would be insane not to. Click on the link to learn more.